Mein Name ist Martin Jäger.
My name is Martin Jäger. I'm a product manager at HEIDENHAIN, and today I'd like to introduce our newest exposed encoders. HEIDENHAIN has been producing exposed encoders, consisting of a measuring standard and scanning head, for over 30 years now. They are mainly used in the electronics industry. This dynamic industry often experiences major changes. We want to contribute to these changes and offer you the best products for your applications. The ERO 2000 was designed specifically for applications with high dynamic performance requirements, very limited installation space, such as galvano scanners. The ERO 2000 is an exposed angle encoder featuring optical scanning, high accuracy, high resolution, low weight, and compact dimensions. Comes in full circle and segment models in a variety of diameters. Now I would like to introduce our flagship exposed angle encoder, the ERP 1000. It has exceptionally high accuracy and resolution. The graduation accuracy is better than 1 arc second at up to 63,000 signal periods. Here we also have full circle and segment solutions in various diameters. You also have a choice of cable outlets for versatile installation. The LIC exposed absolute linear encoders also feature recent innovations. Absolute encoders have many advantages over incremental encoders. Referencing is unneeded because the position is always available, even immediately after machine switch on. They also transmit additional data, such as warnings and alarms. The reason for this encoder was to close the accuracy gap between our existing absolute encoders. The LIC 3100 is a dual-track encoder with an incremental track and an absolute track. It is mechanically compatible with the LIC 4100 and comes very close to its accuracy. The LIC 3100 rounds off our LIC series, allowing us to offer you exactly the right product for your application. Sound interesting? Then get in touch with my sales colleagues, who will be glad to answer your questions.